Hey guys, welcome back to my channel and welcome to my channel if you are new. My name is Kristen. Welcome. Today I am finally doing my January Ipsy unboxing, so if you guys want to see what I got, then keep watching. So as always, pulled up on my phone, I have what Ipsy picked for me and what I picked for myself. I'm kind of nervous to open up this month's box because I've somehow ended up on Ipsy Reddit and some people have thoughts, let's just say that. Here's the inside of the box. First up, we have the Signature Luxe palette from Ofra. This was picked for me by Ipsy, and fun fact, I've never tried Ofra before and I didn't think I would like this because the picture looks totally different. This is the picture. I feel like the palette just looks so much different in person. So I'm really excited to try this. Next up, we have the Lash Confidence Curl Length Volume Clean Mascara from LYS Beauty. Ipsy chose this for me and I'm actually kind of excited to try this because I did get another product from this brand before. It was like their bronzer and it was not a good shade match for me. So I'm excited to try the mascara. My first choice is this We Are Paradox Volume Blow Dry Spray. I have actually been blow drying my hair more because I do shower at night, so I will blow dry my hair before bed and this just sounds really good. My second choice is this Grande Cosmetics Grande Brow 2-in-1 Tinted Brow Gel and Brow Enhancing Serum in medium. I wanted to give this a try because it just brow serum really intrigued me, and I've also been using a lash serum that has been working. So I'm excited to try this. I just don't know about the color because it says medium, and I don't know if you can tell, but I typically go for black brow products because my eyebrow hairs are black. My third choice is this Real Her Prebiotic Setting Spray. I'm so excited that this came in my box because I just finished my setting spray today and I bought the wrong Urban Decay one, so I will be putting this right here on my vanity. And then I got an add-on, which is the Lucky Chick Daydreams eyeshadow palette. This palette is so pretty. I'm very excited to use this, but I think I'm going to use the Ofra one first just because I never use anything from Ofra. But these colors, I know it's very neutral. And that is it for my January Ipsy. Let me know what you guys think about it in the comments down below. I'm actually pretty happy with the box this month. I feel like last month was like kind of hit or miss, but this one, I like it. If you liked this video, please give it a big thumbs up. Don't forget to hit that red button down below to subscribe to my channel for more videos. Make sure you're following me on all my social media. That's always linked down below in the description box. And that is all I have to say, so I'll see you guys next time. Bye!